歡迎來到嗨學英語。今天咱們一起學習方向與位置這個主題的核心詞彙。本期精選48個核心詞彙，搭配48個實用例句，跟着畫面邊看邊記，幫你更自然地理解路線和方位表達。準備好了嗎？我們現在開始吧。方向
Direction.
Direction.
把箭頭指向這個方向。
Point the arrow in this direction.
Point the arrow in this direction.
位置
Position.
Position.
在地板上標出你的位置。
Mark your position on the floor.
Mark your position on the floor.
地圖
Map.
Map.
打開桌上的地圖。
Open the map on the table.
Open the map on the table.
指南針
Compass.
Compass.
指南針指向紅門。
The compass points to the red door.
The compass points to the red door.
北邊
North.
North.
北門開着。
The north gate is open.
The north gate is open.
南邊
South.
South.
向南走到海灘。
Walk south to the beach.
Walk south to the beach.
東邊
East.
East.
在小橋處向東轉。
Turn east at the small bridge.
Turn east at the small bridge.
西邊
West.
West.
向西開過那棟黃房子。
Drive west past the yellow house.
Drive west past the yellow house.
東北方
Northeast.
Northeast.
向東北走到高塔。
Walk northeast to the tall tower.
Walk northeast to the tall tower.
西北方
Northwest.
Northwest.
小屋在湖的西北方。
The cabin sits northwest of the lake.
The cabin sits northwest of the lake.
東南方
Southeast.
Southeast.
公園在學校的東南方。
The park is southeast of the school.
The park is southeast of the school.
西南方
Southwest.
Southwest.
我們的帳篷在火堆的西南方。
Our tent is southwest of the fire.
Our tent is southwest of the fire.
向左
Left.
Left.
在藍色標誌處左轉。
Turn left at the blue sign.
Turn left at the blue sign.
向右
Right.
Right.
過了咖啡店右轉。
Turn right after the coffee shop.
Turn right after the coffee shop.
直走
Straight.
Straight.
直走經過公交車站。
Go straight past the bus stop.
Go straight past the bus stop.
向前
Forward.
Forward.
向前邁到白線處。
Step forward to the white line.
Step forward to the white line.
向後
Backward.
Backward.
从繁忙的路邊往後退。
Move backward from the busy road.
Move backward from the busy road.
向上，
Up.
Up.
爬上小山，
Climb up the small hill.
Climb up the small hill.
往下，
Down.
Down.
沿着石阶往下走，
Walk down the stone steps.
Walk down the stone steps.
上方，
Above.
Above.
钟挂在门上方，
The clock hangs above the door.
The clock hangs above the door.
下面，
Below.
Below.
鞋子在长椅下面，
The shoes are below the bench.
The shoes are below the bench.
上方，
Over.
Over.
飞机飞过河上方，
The plane flies over the river.
The plane flies over the river.
下面，
Under.
Under.
猫睡在桌子下面，
The cat sleeps under the table.
The cat sleeps under the table.
在之间，
Between.
Between.
站在两个红色路锥之间，
Stand between the two red cones.
Stand between the two red cones.
在旁邊，
Beside.
Beside.
自行车在樹旁邊，
The bike is beside the tree.
The bike is beside the tree.
在後面，
Behind.
Behind.
狗在栅欄後面等，
The dog waits behind the fence.
The dog waits behind the fence.
在裡面，
Inside.
Inside.
在火車站裡面等，
Wait inside the train station.
Wait inside the train station.
在外面，
Outside.
Outside.
在圖書館外面見我，
Meet me outside the library.
Meet me outside the library.
靠近，
Near.
Near.
公交車站在學校附近，
The bus stop is near the school.
The bus stop is near the school.
在附近，
Nearby.
Nearby.
附近有一家小店，
A small shop is nearby.
A small shop is nearby.
繞着，
Around.
Around.
繞着圓形噴泉走，
Walk around the round fountain.
Walk around the round fountain.
穿過，
Across.
Across.
走過斑馬線，
Walk across the zebra crossing.
Walk across the zebra crossing.
穿過，
Through.
Through.
穿過玻璃門，
Go through the glass door.
Go through the glass door.
朝向，
Toward.
Toward.
朝綠色公交車走，
Walk toward the green bus.
Walk toward the green bus.
朝向，
Towards.
Towards.
朝開着的大門移動。
Move towards the open gate.
Move towards the open gate.
前面，
Front.
Front.
站在队伍前面。
Stand at the front of the line.
Stand at the front of the line.
后面，
Back.
Back.
把你的包放在后面。
Put your bag at the back.
Put your bag at the back.
顶部，
Top.
Top.
把旗子放在顶部。
Place the flag on top.
Place the flag on top.
底部，
Bottom.
Bottom.
钥匙在底部。
The key is at the bottom.
The key is at the bottom.
中间，
Middle.
Middle.
站在房间中间。
Stand in the middle of the room.
Stand in the middle of the room.
角落，
Corner.
Corner.
椅子在角落里。
The chair is in the corner.
The chair is in the corner.
一邊，
Side.
Side.
把車停在路的這一邊。
Park on this side of the road.
Park on this side of the road.
在對面，
Opposite.
Opposite.
銀行在電影院對面。
The bank is opposite the cinema.
The bank is opposite the cinema.
入口，
Entrance.
Entrance.
在入口處等。
Wait at the entrance.
Wait at the entrance.
出口，
Exit.
Exit.
跟着出口標誌走。
Follow the exit sign.
Follow the exit sign.
距離，
Distance.
Distance.
和汽車保持一小段距離。
Keep a short distance from the car.
Keep a short distance from the car.
在樓上，
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
浴室在樓上。
The bathroom is upstairs.
The bathroom is upstairs.
在樓下，
Downstairs.
Downstairs.
廚房在樓下。
The kitchen is downstairs.
The kitchen is downstairs.